What kind of stationery box is that? What? I am gonna judge you, Harajuku box. Who are you gonna get judged? This cat gets like extra bonus points. What are you? My hamster is cleaning my notebook. Hey YouTube kittens, it's Cathy Cat, and guess what? Today is a great day because we get to unbox so much stationery today. I am so hyped. I'm a big lover of stationery, but there's something for everyone in this video for you. There's something for the travelers who want to come to Japan, and there's something who love stationery, cute stationery, and surprises because I don't know what's in these. I'm gonna unbox these. So the plan for today is I have a traveler's notebook, and we're gonna go open and set up that notebook with the help of these ZENPOP surprise boxes that I got sent to me. So it's stationery galore. I'm a stationery hoarder. All Lolita fashionistas to a certain degree are hoarders. I think I'm definitely up in the high scale of hoarding. La, don't judge me. So we're gonna set up the traveler's notebook and we're gonna unbox 3 ZENPOP boxes. So they're actually doing a special offer this month. When we started to have a conversation about unboxing these, they didn't have that one yet. Now they have that, so it might actually be a really good month to try that out. But I'll talk about that at the end of the video. First of all, let's go have fun unboxing, chilling, and getting ready to set up a Japanese notebook with this massive Japanese stationery haul. Let's go! Here is the thing, it's called Travelers Factory. It's a Japanese company, and that makes, well, stuff for people who love traveling. I've been looking forward to setting this one up. I have a Kyoto version, but this is the Tokyo limited version. So I bought myself 2 refills. So this is the Tokyo exclusive one. If you're traveling to Tokyo, you can only buy this one at Tokyo Station. Traveler's notebook for all the travelers who have a free spirit. This is already so cool. Look at that. I actually bought this one first and I kept it for a video to set it up, and I went to Kyoto. This is the Kyoto exclusive edition. This is the Tokyo exclusive edition, and if you get the Tokyo one in there, you also get this one, which is again a Tokyo limited one. And the amazing thing, what I like about these is I have a problem with stationery. I have a problem, okay? I get all these beautiful notebooks and then I'm too scared to break into them. The thing with these ones is once you actually finish a notebook, you can take it out and then put another notebook in. So you never feel like you're ruining a great notebook. So you can add these ones in and make it even more special. So with the Kyoto one, for example, what I've done is this one here is just for collecting stamps. So you can get the stamps, for example, that you get in your store. The second book here is reserved for signatures. So for example, my friend Mai, who's an idol, left me her signature here. And the third one here is for things that are happening. I happen to put some stamps here in as well, but it's also a little bit of a diary. Kyoto one is already set up. We're gonna set up this one. I need more cute stationery to fill up this bay. Da 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 da! Da 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 da! This is full of stationery. This sounds like happiness and luck and sprinkles and sunshine. So there are 3 different ones. One of them is their Harajuku one, so I'm excited about that. One is the Monochrome, and the other one I think is called Bizarre Stationery. I'm not sure what we're in there for, and I don't know which one is which. What they're doing in August is you can get a random of their past boxes as your starter box. Right now in August, they don't lock you into a subscription. You can just order one and see if you like it. You get a random one, and then you can decide whether you want to do it again. And shipping is in theory for free, unless you want to have fast shipping or you live somewhere where shipping is just very difficult. So, 3 times pop. Let's see what's in these surprise boxes. So these are like 3 months worth of surprises. There we go. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, baby. All right. Something's got to... Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! So this one here was for June 2024. It comes with a little calendar. And actually also it says which art maker it was from. And look at the little happy bunny. Crinkly paper. Oh, this is the Monochrome box. Oh, nice. This is very, very cool. Also, it will be really good for setting up your diary because you have a consistent color. Somewhere to put this all in, so I'm already appreciating that. What is this? A study liner. Then glue. Nori. Oh, I like this one. Okay, so when you're journaling on the go, you might find like tickets, entrance cards, or little like flyers or snippets, and you want to glue them in. You can use this one here to glue them in. So this is like on the go little glue tape. I love those. Look at the sticker tape. That looks fancy. So you have different people. Here's a friction pen. Okay, cool. Ah, look at that! Iwako erasers! Shibana seal. So these are stickers that look like as if they were pressed flowers. Ubabe noto. That's a famous stationery store. ZENPOP left me total freedom to be honest about their boxes. And one of the things I already gotta say that I appreciate, there is no 100 yen store stuff in here. There's a lot of boxes that just throw things in from the 100 yen store, and I can kind of tell because I shop at the 100 yen store a lot too, okay? For example, you can see that this one here would have been 320 yen. So this is actually quality stuff. I like the monochrome feel to it because not everyone is like as pop and colorful as I usually am. And also it will be nice looking for like a spread if you go and want to have like a bit more of a toned down kind of thing. And here also even their eraser here says made in Japan. So they're actually looking when they're picking stationery at getting you quality Japanese stationery. If you're watching this and you know the name of this sea creature, please write that. Hello, I'll erase stuff. Hello. Study liner. Hey yo, ah. Okay. You can have. Hey. There we go. You're picking open that page. There's me a lot of that. 2 different types of pens. Oh, this is also monochrome. Friction pen, the amazing thing with those ones is you can delete then parts of it and have more fun doing that. So erase it again even though you drew it. So that's a lot of fun. I assume you are a normal pen? Monochrome! So this is the monochrome box with the monochrome spread. Box number 1. Oh my gosh! Setting up my diary is going to be so much fun! I don't know which one it is, but I'm gonna find out! Let's open it! Da-da-da! Yes! That's the Harajuku one! Oh my god, is this made for me? I think this is made for me. Oh my god. Did you make this for me? She was monochrome because it was the monochrome one, and then we have this one here, which is the Harajuku one. I'm gonna judge this box heavily on its Harajuku-ness. A lot of people have like a Harajuku image. I am gonna judge you, Harajuku box. Who are you gonna get judged? Let's go. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Here, first of all, this is a big sparkly note. That's cool because then you can collect like stickers or whatever here. This might be a really good notebook for your kurikura. Also, these pockets here, you can put something in. Harajuku would like that. So for example, you could put like a random origami paper in there, picture in with you and a friend or an idol or maid cafe or your darling or your oshi or your waifu. You get a Harajuku point for that. Next one here is an kawaii marker. Ah, alright. So that gives you like some very soft pastel tones. These ones are, I think, capped covers. Also sometimes works for brushes if you have makeup brushes that are in the right size. This pen has been messing up your pen case for days now. You're tired of it. You're like, stop messing up my pen case. Whoosh. There you go. Now it can't mess up your pen case anymore. Pencil convenience. It's a little kitty parfait. Soft pastels, soft kitty cat. You can write on this kitty cat. Chocolate super niddy keshi. It's an eraser that smells of chocolate. Looks fairly normal. This is an eraser that you can then shape the way you want to shape it, but it also smells of chocolate! Ah! Byung. Woohoo! It's like chewing gum! Woo! It smells good. Oh, smart! I was gonna say, if you give the caps for pencils, you should have a pencil in there. There is a pencil in there. Cute little pink bunnies. Because Harajuku is so known for sweets, this cat gets like extra bonus points. And we have washi tape. A letter set to close the whole thing off. Who? It's me! It's Humi! What cute and pink. Look at that. That's fancy. Oh, it's like tape. Ooh, but if you put it on the page, you see that it actually has like soft cloud patterns and like soft pastel colors right in there. Oh, with the Awaji marker behind it. Oh my gosh. And this one here is called Kira Kira, and it has sweets on it. You got that Harajuku right. Washi. Alright, just a basic idea. Probably want to move this somewhere else. I like that there's also a little bit of glitter on this washi tape, so it's not your normal washi tape. There's stuff happening on this washi tape. That is how I would do that Harajuku spread page with the stuff that we have in the Harajuku box. Like this one. There's some essence of Harajuku in there. Now, box number 3. I assume that's for September. This is the future. Marty, we're gonna go back to the future. Stop using my nails for this now, because I'm gonna use my teeth. Final countdown. Things are going a bit crazy on this picture already. What is that? What kind of stationery box is that? Oh my god! It feels like all the things you see on the postcard are somehow in here. Because we already have Buddha. We can put Buddha on like his message of the day with the little cat, with 2 little cats. Smart clips. Oh, these ones are good for closing backs, but also for holding your journal open. If we have a Hure Mi. Oh, this is a push pen. So yep, there's an eraser in here. We are good. We have another made in Japan eraser. Oh, this is gonna have to get tested because this looks like a jagariko, like it looks like a fake potato. Oh my god, they have potatoes in there! Like French fries. It looks like French fries. Nom nom nom. Don't eat your erasers. Don't eat anything in these boxes. People are gonna say, Cathy Cat told me to eat it. I did not tell you to eat it! Remember there was a random old guy and some like random creatures? I think this is what we're getting here. It's a random old guy with his cat. Oh my, those are gonna be so cute. So these ones are, again, post-it notes that you can put on the side to maybe mark your book where you actually were, but they're also supporters. So, like soccer. Here's where the sushi is coming in from. Oekaki-san. So these are idol otaku stickers. So everything around the idol otaku when you celebrate your Oshi's birthday. Final thing. What are you? It has a little brush in it. So when you actually put this down on the table and move it, the brushes in here will keep rotating and help you keep your desk clean. I'm gonna have to put that to the test in a moment. Let's get them supporters on this page. Look at that. Yes. Yeah. We need to have something on this page, right? We need to also use our eraser now. Let's see if the lid is erasing. Okay, the lid is erasing. The fries are erasing! That was actually my original goal, to just get lots of eraser crumbs on here. Can you do your job, hamster? I tell you, you're getting a good place on my desk. This is gonna be just as chaotic. Let's get the guy and his cat out. Oh, that's so cute. Old guy Tanaka and his cat. Absolute chaos has just been brought to this page, and I love it. I think that's when I can use these clips here. Too thick? Nope. Keeps it open. Fantastic. Yum, yum. Num, 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 num. Works like a charm. That's so funny. What is going on this page? I don't know, but I love it. Also, if we close this now, we have Mr. Hi and Yay. So the calendar cards really promise you what's inside, eh? So we have the Harajuku page, the Monochrome page, the Bazaar page. What is your favorite page? Please let me know in the comments now. Thank you, ZENPOP, for helping me set up my travel journal. Let's go on more Japan adventures. Yay! I gotta be honest, I'm quite happy about that. There's also a link down below if you want to go through the link and just get your own stationery set in case you want to. Let me know which one your favorite of these ones was. Thank you so much for tuning in. There's another video here that you might like, and I'll catch you soon. Bye!